着你傻傻笑，傻傻笑，一见你就笑。我好奇你太乖乖。
Hi guys! So it's me again, Mamasita Nicoll. Of course, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe after you watching my video. Yes! So guys, gusto ko i-share sa inyo how to clean your shoes, the old shoes. So, nakikita nyo yan sa video ko yesterday. This is my old shoes. They have a lot of stain in here. So, we need to take it off, this thing. I hope it's work. So, we'll see. So, I have something in here. We bought this one in the Nike store, the shoe cleaner. So, this one. So, I hope it's working guys para makabili din kayo nito sa Nike store if they have. Okay? So, this is the bottle guys. The small bottle. And they have a brush. So, this is the one. Is already one set. So, yung name niya is Jason Markk. Yes. Jason Markk cleaner. Ito siya. So, let's start guys to clean my shoe.
A bowl of water. So, I have water in here. In my paper plate, I put some little water. So, we need to put the brush in here. Deep. And apply library amount of solution to brush. So, lagyan daw natin ng, we put some little bit solution here. So, ganun ba? So, kailangan pala natin to i-open muna guys. So, ayan. There you go. So, make sure it's tiny only guys. You put little bit. Yan. And then, and then, the next is dip brush back into the bowl of the water. So, ilagay natin ulit sa water yung brush. And we need to next is scrub shoes, creating foaming action. So, i-scrub na natin guys. So, unahin natin yung isa. Scrub natin. Tingnan natin kung nag-work ba talaga. I hope it's gonna be work. So, I'm happy for that. Keep brushing. And then, put again.
Dang, 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 dang. Look at that. It's pretty, right? It's really clean. Super clean. Yes, ito yung old shoes ko. Nandahil sa stain cleaner, lalo siyang gumaganda. Yes. Look. So, guys, if you are interested for the shoe cleaner, comment down below. Kasi, sabihin ko sa inyo kung anong pangalan nito at saka ilagay ko din ito sa description. Check out in the description. So, anyway guys, thanks for watching and like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always updated for my new video. Bye guys!